Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming access and preparing data. This matters because Automation Studio acts on precise assets. Once signed in, open the Automations tab and create a new automation, name it clearly, and pick a schedule or trigger. Make sure to attach the correct data extension and file naming pattern. Connect any external integrations now so later steps don't break. Doing this immediately reduces rework, and it ensures your run will process the right records without permission or authentication errors. You now assemble the workflow. Drag, import, and SQL query activities in the exact order the data needs transformation, because sequence determines output. Once done, configure each activity's properties, source paths, query target, and file encoding. Then add weight or decision splits if conditional processing is required. Make sure to map fields and preview outputs before saving. Also set retries and alert email addresses so you're notified on failure. This detailed middle work prevents bad data from propagating downstream. You finish by running a dry run using a limited dataset to validate every activity. This confirms results without impacting production. After successful tests, activate the automation and monitor the first scheduled runs in the History tab. Verify row counts, timestamps, and delivery stats. If something goes wrong, check the activity logs and error codes first. Then confirm file format, field mappings, SQL syntax, and API credentials. One key troubleshooting tip: always inspect the raw error message and the preceding activity output to find the true root.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.